Now we will make this header transparent header. Right now this is a sticky header, and for making it transparent, the first step, instead of this text content, we should have an image here. So while developing, you can have a better visual understanding. So let's edit this page, and we will edit it with the Elementor. For adding the image, we will edit it with Elementor, and here we can delete this. Here you can see we have the page title, so we can remove it, and so we have a clear page. So let's go to the page settings, and here we will have the option of page layout. From here we will make it edit Elementor full width. Right now I will not deep dive in Elementor. We will explain about Elementor in next video. So I will just, you can see now header is removed, and now I will remove this content as well. And here we will have a flex box, and inside this we can add an image, and we can have another option. We will go to the main section, and then we will go to the style, and here we have background option, and in the background we can add an image. We can add color, image, gradient, video, and slide bar. We can say image slider. So we can go here. From here we can add a color and an image. From here we can go and we will add this image, and we will resize the image to the cover, and I think center. Now let's increase the size of the section. So the image we can see this is a viewport height, and we can make it 100. That's mean it will be fit to screen. Okay, whatever the screen, it will fit in the screen. So we will publish this, and we can do another thing. We can add a overlay, because right now this is so bright, so we will add an overlay color on it. We can do that, and we can have this color. From here we can use this dark color, and now you can increase or decrease its opacity from here, but we will take it as default like 0.5. On full one it will be only color, so we will not use it. We will make it 0.5. okay, so let's save it, and now let's go to the customizer. Let's refresh it. So here, from here we will go to the header, and in the header we will go to the header step and global header, and from here we have the option transparent functionality. We will enable it, and now you can see that. Let's publish and see it's on the front end. Here you can see right now this is not looking good. You can see that this is not readable. So let's go back to the customizer, and we will go to the menu, and in the menu we will go to the design, and in the design default state we will make it white, and now you can see this is looking good. And if you want, you can, it's already bold, and you can increase the size to 16, whatever you want. So you can make these changings as well. So let's publish it, and let's see on the front end how it looks. Yes, now this is looking good. Yes, in the sticky header you can see this is not visible. So we will again go to the customizer, and header step to header, and then global header, and then we have design option, and here you can see just a minute, not header, we will go to the menu, and in the design option here we have the default state, and then we have transparent state. In the transparent state we can make it white, and in this sticky state we can make it again white. Now publish it. Let's see on the front end. Here you can, oops, we make a mistake. We'll go back. I'll go here. Because sticky header has white background, so we should have the black text color. So let's publish. Let's go on the front end. Here you can see now this is looking awesome. So this is how you can make your header as transparent. So we have some more options as well. Let's suppose you don't want to use this opacity or overlay color. Then what will happen? Let's see on the front end now. Let's refresh the page. Here you can see this is still looking good because of background color. If the background color is more light, in that case this text could be a problem. But still we have some options, like we will explore them. We will go to the customizer, and from here we will go to the header. Sorry, it's footer. Let's go to the header here, and then we have design, and here we have the default state, transparent state, and here we will go and we will choose let's suppose we will choose this color, and let's make it just make it blur. Here you can see now we just decreased its opacity how much possible. I think this is looking good. Here we can stop it, refresh, publish, and let's go on the front end and refresh the. Here you can see. So now this is looking even more better. You can see the header, this image is so bright, so the white text on it, that was creating little bit issue, but now when we added some background to it, and it's working very good now. It's looking very good now, I think. And you can see when we scroll, the background convert into white, full white, and text black. So I think this is the best feature that Blocksy is giving in free version.